What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm sharing a great spin on regular chili with my taco chili recipe. I love to load this up with toppings like crunchy tortilla chips, cheese, plain Greek yogurt, or sour cream. This is perfect for a quick weeknight meal. So you'll need beef broth, and I love to add salsa to this since we're making it taco style. For the beans, I'm using black beans and red beans. You can use all black beans, you can use all red beans, you can skip the beans if you like. I'm using my homemade taco seasoning blend. You can find a full listing of measurements and details of every ingredient I'm using in the description box below. You're gonna start by browning some ground beef. I'm using a Dutch oven here. You can use any pot that's large enough to hold all of the ingredients and that you can cook that ground beef in beforehand. So from there, I'm going to add in some onions, and these are just red onions. I know they look a little pink here, but they're just standard red onions. And then I'm gonna sprinkle in my spices. I also drained the excess fat from the ground beef before I added in the spices. So I'm gonna give everything a good stir, and then we're gonna add in the beans. I also drained the beans, and I'm adding in some diced tomatoes and chilies as well. I drained those beforehand because I don't want watery chili. And then the salsa goes in. I'm gonna give everything a good stir. Next, I'm gonna add in the broth. I use 1 cup of broth because I like really thick chili. You can use another cup if you like, if you want it a little bit more soupy. I'm gonna place the lid on the pot and simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes, however long it takes for that chili to thicken up. I'm gonna add in some corn at the end here. You can use frozen corn, you can use canned corn. Again, if you use canned corn, I would drain that excess water from it first. And this is thickened up nicely. I eat chili any time of year, but this is absolutely perfect for fall. If you're only into chili for that, make this for your tailgate, game days, quick weeknight meals. So simple and delicious.